For thousands of years, there's been this closely guarded secret to vitality, and it all comes down to this tiny black seed that holds an absolutely immense power. But what if? What if everything we thought we knew about unlocking that power was just wrong? Okay, let's really get into this.
I mean, we're talking about something found in the tombs of pharaohs like Tutankhamun, written about in ancient Roman medicine. This seed has been revered forever. But here's the secret. It's not just about the oil itself, it's how you use it. And as we're about to see, there's some ancient wisdom about that method that most of us are getting completely wrong. Because this is the shocking reality. For most people taking black seed oil, this is how much of its most powerful compound their body actually gets to use, 20 to 30%. The rest, it's literally just wasted. So how do we fix that? Well, first, we've got to uncover some of the deceptions out there. All right, welcome to the first leg of our little treasure hunt. To find the real gold, we first have to learn how to spot the fakes. And believe me, in the world of black seed oil, the market is absolutely full of them.
This is the biggest one for sure. So many companies cut costs by diluting their products with cheap filler oils, like soybean or sunflower oil. Your first line of defense is right on the label. It should say one thing and one thing only: 100% pure, cold-pressed Nigella sativa oil. Seriously, anything else is a huge red flag.
And just look at this. The way the oil is actually pulled from the seed makes a massive difference. Over on the left, you see the clean, pure result of cold pressing. But on the right, that's the industrial shortcut, using chemical solvents like hexane. Not only does this process strip away precious nutrients, but trace amounts of this stuff, which is a neurotoxin by the way, can get left behind, and that can really mess with your gut microbiome.
And oh, this one's a classic marketing trick. We've all been told that a darker oil means it's stronger, more potent. You want to know the truth? A lot of the time, that dark color just comes from roasting the seeds at super high temperatures, which actually destroys the very compounds we're looking for. So here's the bottom line. Color doesn't mean strength. Potency does.
So if we can't trust the color, what can we trust? This is where we get our compass. We're about to decode what true potency really means, and it all comes down to finding the real treasure, a compound called thymoquinone.
This is it. Thymoquinone, or TQ for short. This is the bioactive powerhouse that's responsible for all those amazing benefits. Ancient Ethiopians might have called it the soul of the seed, but today, science calls it the one true benchmark of quality.
And you can see right here on this chart why the origin of the seed matters so much. The harsh climate, the high altitude, the unique volcanic soil of the Ethiopian Highlands, it all puts stress on the plant, forcing it to produce incredibly high concentrations of TQ. We're talking 2, 3, sometimes even 5% or more. It just dwarfs the seeds that come from other regions.
So, how do you prove you have the real deal? You demand proof. A certificate of analysis, or COA, from a third-party lab is your secret weapon. It's non-negotiable. It verifies the THQ percentage and makes sure the oil is totally free from solvents and heavy metals. If a company won't show you a COA, don't buy from them. It really is that simple.
Okay, so you've done it. You found a pure, high-TQ Ethiopian oil with a COA to back it up. You've won, right? Well, not quite. You have the treasure, but you still need the key to open up the chest. And that key, believe it or not, has been hidden in ancient wisdom all along. For centuries, Ethiopian tradition has understood something that modern science is just catching up to. How you take the oil is just as critical as the quality of the oil itself. And this isn't some kind of superstition, it's a lost piece of biological science.
The ritual was often incredibly simple. Just mix the potent oil with a little warm water and some raw honey. It sounds basic, right? But the biological reason why this combination works is just, wow, it's brilliant. It's a hack that prepares the oil for a remarkable journey, a journey we're about to take right now.
And now, we're actually going to take that journey. We're going to follow that high-potency oil all the way from your stomach, into your bloodstream, and right inside your cells to witness the biological why behind this ancient ritual. Let's go.
Okay, let's dive in. We're inside the gut now. Look at this. Over on the left, see how the oil just clumps together on its own? It's really tough for your body to break that down. But now, watch what happens when we use that ancient ritual. You see, thymoquinone is fat-soluble, which means it can't just pass through the watery environment of your gut on its own. It needs to be packaged into these microscopic taxis called micelles. This is the body's natural system for absorbing any kind of fat. Now, this is the absolute genius of the ritual. The honey isn't there for flavor. It's what we'd now call a glucose-aided transport hack. Watch this. See how your body rushes to absorb the honey's sugars through these special biological gates? Well, the TQ molecules literally hitch a ride, getting pulled right across the intestinal wall at incredible speed. It's amazing.
And just like that, we're in the bloodstream. Look, here comes our high-potency TQ, straight from those Ethiopian seeds. Now, see that cell over there? It's under attack from what's called oxidative stress, and our TQ is heading right for it.
Just watch this. Look how the TQ passes right through the cell wall. It's going straight for the mitochondria, which are your cell's little power plants. It gets in there and neutralizes those damaging free radicals before they can cause any harm. This, right here, is biological armor in action. This is the power you unlock when you combine a high-potency oil with the right delivery system.
Okay, let's zoom back out. That journey was pretty incredible. But now we need to turn all that complex science into a simple, daily protocol that you can actually use to make this happen for yourself. So after all that incredible science and that journey into the cell, what does this all mean for you tomorrow morning when you're standing in your kitchen? It means you can stop wasting your money on oil that's not being absorbed and start unlocking its full potential with just a few simple tweaks. Here it is, your 3-step power-up plan. First, always take your oil with another healthy fat. This is what calls those taxis, the micelles we saw, into action. Second, add a tiny pinch of freshly ground black pepper. The piperine in the pepper actually protects the TQ on its journey through your liver. And third, timing is everything. Take it with your largest meal of the day to take advantage of your body's peak digestive power. And that is the result. By following this simple protocol, you have literally just taken your absorption rate from a measly 20 or 30% all the way up to over 70%. You haven't just taken a supplement, you've effectively upgraded your body's entire defense system. You have activated your biological armor. The knowledge of the ancients, now confirmed by the lens of modern science, it's yours. You have the map, and now you have the key. So the only question left is, how are you going to use it?